Nigerians are turning against expensive forex courses is what I am telling you about in this video at this time. And I'm taking this from lessons from the Caleb Forex debate. There's a guy on social media, is on Twitter, is on Instagram, is on TikTok, and is on Facebook. It's called Caleb something. And he has been advocating that people should not pay for courses. Funny enough, just about 2 weeks ago, he came out with a forex course himself, which cost 200,000 naira. But this guy advocated very well against expensive forex courses. And that is why in this video, I'm talking about why Nigerians are turning against expensive forex courses. And we are looking at lessons from the Caleb Forex debate. Please, you have to wait to the end. There are some key information I'm going to pass to you at the end of this video. But I want us to go into the nitty-gritty, and then that important information will come after. What I want to know is that the Nigerian forex community is entering a new phase, and at the center of this shift is one voice many people know, and that is Caleb Forex. His video has sparked massive conversations because he boldly challenges the long-standing culture of selling high-priced forex courses. Instead of encouraging traders to buy tutorials, he calls for transparency, realistic expectations, and personal discipline. Ideas many Nigerians are finally embracing. Why forex course sellers are losing out or losing trust. For years, the market has been flooded with self-acclaimed gurus who promise quick profits if you buy their 50,000 to 300,000 naira course. But most buyers end up disappointed, discovering that the strategies are not new, the materials can be found free online, the teacher earns more from selling courses than from trading. This is exactly the point Caleb raises. If someone's trading strategy is truly profitable, why depend on selling courses to survive? By the way, I trade for people. When I say I trade for people, that means that I manage your account for you. You fund the account, I trade it, we make profit, and we share the profit 50-50. And the minimum you can use for that, the deposit, the minimum capital you need is $200 so that I can be able to do something tangible. So that is that. So you can contact me and then we can do business together. This is exactly the point Caleb raises, as I was saying. If someone's trading strategy is truly profitable, why depend on selling courses to survive? Now on this channel, I have free videos where I'm teaching people how to trade forex. And if you ask me any question below the video that you watch, I'm going to respond. But if you come to my DM, I'm going to ask you to pay something. If I'm not chanced, I'm going to ask you to pay something because it's going to take out of my time. But the ones that are free, I've made it free on this channel, so you can check it out and you can enjoy it. So you can check it out. This argument resonates with thousands of struggling traders who feel misled. I want to take this important point that if someone's trading strategy is truly profitable, why depend on selling courses to survive? If someone's trading strategy is truly profitable, why depend on selling courses to survive? I do not agree with this. You see, this is the problem with Africans. Every wealthy Africa, they have no book written on how they made wealth. But we know that the founder of Virgin Nigeria have books. Rockefeller, we can trace his wealth. There are books written about him. But all the richest men in Africa, there's no clear-cut books written about them on how to make wealth and how people can navigate and make wealth from them. So by so doing, everything just goes like that. So when you make that book, people, in some cases, they say that over 1 million books sold, over 1 million copies sold, over 2 million copies sold. Why? People are buying and buying and buying. In the long run, they even make some money or make a lot of money from the sale of the books than even from the something itself. And these are some of the things that people, Nigerians and Africans, should look into. Now, somebody may say that why am I saying that I want to trade for people? The reason why I want to trade for people is because I do not have enough capital as I wanted. So if you put down the capital, I trade the account, I make profit, you take part of the profit, I take part of the profit. So I get some capital for my knowledge, and you also get some value for your own money. Now, number two reason why people are not wanting to pay for forex training is because of the rise of free mentorship and community learning. Like this YouTube channel now, I've been teaching you how to trade forex. And in fact, that guy Caleb said, go on YouTube, go and learn. There are a lot of things you can learn. In fact, Baby Pips there's a video channel about Baby Pips I saw about 2 years ago, and I watched all the videos that I've been trading for many years. I watched all the video from A to Z. I watch all the videos from A to Z. It's easier to watch the video than to go back and be reading the material in Baby Piece. It's easier for me because I've read those materials many times before, and I'm still reading the material. So the rise of free mentorship and community learning also make people not to want to pay expensively for Forex training or Forex systems. A major impact of the Caleb Forex conversation is the rise of free learning communities. More traders are shifting to free YouTube tutorials, Telegram and Discord trading groups, live market analysis sessions, peer-to-peer coaching. People are discovering that Forex education does not have to be unaffordable. The new trend is openness and collaboration, not secrecy and paid mentorship. This shift is putting pressure on course sellers to lower their prices, provide more genuine value, and show real trading history. Stop using rented cars and luxury props as proof. Number 3 is that should people stop buying Forex courses completely? This is where the issue becomes interesting. Caleb Forex is not simply saying never buy a course. He is saying do not buy a course when you don't even understand what Forex is. And he has a point. Many beginners spend money impulsively, hoping a course will make them rich, but they skip the basics: risk management, trading psychology, backtesting, and market structure. Without these foundations, no course can help you. The real lesson is this: buy knowledge only when you are ready to make use of it. The real lesson is buy knowledge only when you are ready to make use of it. Number 4, the future of Forex education. For your information, I paid somebody 10,000 naira to learn just one thing he taught me. That is pin bar. He taught me pin bar many years ago, about more than 10 years ago. And I told him that I want to, he said he's trading Forex. I told him I want to learn. And then he said he's going to teach me. And they asked one boy to teach me. And the only thing the guy taught me was pin bar. And I was looking, I know pin bar. And why are you then teaching me pin bar again? But that goes as it goes. And I just move on from there. The future of Forex education in Nigeria. What is the future of Forex education in Nigeria? Whether people agree with Caleb or not, his influence is undeniable. He has triggered a call for accountability, a demand for transparency, a move toward real trading proof instead of hype, a culture shift from buy a course to learn the basics first. And this is actually healthy for the Forex industry. Nigerians are becoming smarter. They now ask questions before paying anyone. They want results, not motivational speeches. They want real traders, not influencers. Whether you love or dislike Caleb Forex, one thing is clear. He has started a conversation the industry can no longer ignore. So Caleb started this conversation, and it was, the guy is a copper, maybe has finished his service now, or is still serving, I'm not sure. But this guy in his copper uniform or his white copper wear, or whatever with his cap, he's adamant, he's shouting on social media everywhere, and this and that and that and this. And I'm going to come to some of the things that Caleb Forex talk about in subsequent videos. But for now, this is what we are looking at. And Caleb Forex and Nigerian Forex traders and everyone, they are getting smarter, and they are trying to leave the Forex, the training and the trading and paying for courses and all those things. They are trying to move away from them. Mind you, my own take is that, yes, go for Forex classes, whether free or paid. Go for Forex classes. You cannot joke with education. But what Caleb is saying is that even after people have learned, now they say they want to be profitable, then you now say come and buy this course. And sometimes they even buy the course, they teach them nothing, they do nothing. That is what they are driving at. And then sometimes people flaunt a lot of things. Someone said she was in the air, and then she was traveling in the air, and then she made $1 million while she was traveling in the air. In the air that there's no internet. How do you do that? How do you say that? So these are some of the things, crazy things that Caleb is trying to talk about. The funniest thing, and Caleb is saying that don't buy a course, don't buy a course. Caleb himself is now selling his own course. He has his own course he's selling. But on this Dr. Olumide TV channel, I am not selling any Forex course to you. All I want to do is watch the Forex videos on this channel and learn, and then from there you can push on and you can go on. I've done series of videos in the last months, the past months, I've been focused and devoted to teaching you how to make money from Forex, because many of my viewers say they want to learn Forex, and I started taking it to one, teaching you how to trade. I'm going to come your way again the next one. As I said earlier, if you have capital and you don't have the time, or you don't have the skill to trade, I can trade on your behalf. And what you do is that you drop a minimum of $200. You fund your own account. If you want to, don't need to give me the money. You fund your own account. All you need to do is to give me the password to the trading platform where you have funded the account, and I will trade username and the password. I will trade the account, and I'm going to make profit on the account. And the profit we make every month, we share it between yourself and myself at 50-50 margin. And then I continue trading, and the following month again we share it at 50-50 margin, and then everybody smiles to the bank. So I use my knowledge, and then you use your money to get money. I use my knowledge to get money. So if you're interested in this, contact me by sending me a DM by WhatsApp on 080-36-910-988. I will see you in the next one. Until then, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.